Gareth, what is there that we can plant at this time of the year in sunny South Africa? It's winter time. We're looking at August, and I always think of being the time when the garden is in a somnolent slumber. It's sleeping. We're doing some stuff for spring when it'll wake up again. But what can we do now?
What do people see in their gardens now? Popping out little orange flowers, or Clivias.
Ah, yes. And the best place to go and see them, by the way, in botanical gardens, in the forests, because that's where they come from. So what is this soil supposed to be emulating?
So we emulate the natural habitat of Clivias, which is in the forests.
Yeah.
In Mpumalanga, into Natal, down to the Eastern Cape. So they grow naturally under the cover of forests in nice mulched organic material. So we're just trying to replicate that, put them in and give them the best conditions to grow.
Yeah, because they're not natural to the high veld.
No.
So they might take a bit of strain if they're just standing out in full sun and then, of course, having freezing cold temperatures with nothing to cover them during the night times.
That's why. Shade-loving plants.
Yeah.
Keep them in the shade.
Don't plant your Clivias out on the side of the road, okay? They want to be under trees and they are beautiful. And so if you're going to do one thing this August, plant yourself some Clivias.